So we got a giant package today, so I can really only show y'all the side. Let's see. Yeah. So, okay. Whew. Yeah. I ordered it like last week and it's already here. And oh, it's amazing. So yeah, I got it off of the Spirit Halloween website. So you know, if you want it, you can get it off there. Or I think they have it like in the Spencer store itself. I don't have one close to me, so I didn't feel like driving all that way. But yeah, I'm gonna put the link if y'all want to buy it. Because I know it said it was only 2 left, so I was like, okay, I have to have it because I need it. I gotta have it. Yeah, bye.